Hello, what is good? So what I am going to be talking about today, discussing about, going to full detail about, is the Circulon. Let me make sure you can see the burn-in. Circulon 12-inch wok, stirring pan, frying pan, whatever you prefer. I actually like calling it a wok, just because. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna roll it back like this so you can kind of see the whole thing. Anyway, it's non-stick. Let me just give you a rundown about this wok. This wok has been a lifesaver with so many things, and it cooks food to perfection and fast. Not to where it feels as though it's rushed through, but just fast enough, if that makes sense. This wok, I call it a wok. I'm sorry, I just do. With this wok, or a stirring pan, or a frying pan, I personally love using this when I'm making stir fry because it's so simple and so easy to make. You can just throw your vegetables in there. You can throw your meat in there. When you cook meats in there, as far as like chicken or sausage or whatever, it's so fast. Like, it cooks the chicken right through. Like, there's not a long waiting time when you're using this wok. This is one of the reasons why I absolutely love cooking with this pan, actually. Other dishes that you can make, as far as like you want to not only make stir fries, but maybe make something with like beans and rice, and want to have some chicken in there and stuff like that. Or you can make this what's it called? I think it's called like a skillet. Of course, you put it in a skillet, but you can also make it with this too because it's non-stick, so everything will slide right out. For instance, let's say for a skillet, want to add hash browns, eggs, and then bacon and cheese. Since this is non-stick, what I mean, the hash browns will literally just slide out like the whole, like it's just like, it's so pretty. It's like a complete plate. Like, you see the rims around here, right? The grids. And let's say the hash browns is about as big as this. And then you just put the eggs on top of those hash browns, and bacon on top, and cheese on top. Okay? Literally, you just get like a spatula or something, and it'll literally slide right out. The whole thing will slide out. I don't know how many times that I said I love this wok, but I really do. When I saw this gonna sell, I was like, gots to get it, gots to have it, gots to be mine. So anyway, some information about this. It's like I was telling you before, it's total non-stick. There's nothing stickable about this. And then when you're washing it, oh man, it's so easy to do and so simple. Just get some soap, scrub. Everything comes out. Everything comes out, literally. This pan is amazing. So it features high-low wave technology coupled with the most advanced non-stick surface to offer extraordinary food last and lifelong durability. Advanced non-stick inside and out ensures cleanup is quick and easy. Complementary stylish double-verted stainless steel with silicone handles for a secure slip-free grasp. Oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, that's some good stuff, right? Woo! Okay, don't stop. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I mean, it's pretty heavy. I mean, the pounds of this, it says it's 2.55 pounds, but I feel like it's more. I don't know why, but I truly feel like it is more. And you can tell I've been cooking my behind off with this silicone. I was going to say one of the only things I would say about this pan, but I really don't have any complaints about it. I've been having this pan for over maybe 3 years now. Three years probably. And not only just with dishes and stuff like that. Like, if you want to make eggs in this, go right ahead because it's so simple. If you just want to make some plain hash browns, go ahead. And I don't always put oil. In this wok. Sometimes I like to steam hash browns, just add water and it still does the trick. The hash browns does not. I was trying to figure out which one sounds better. Does not. Anyway, it does not stick to the pan when I steam my hash browns. Oh, there's crumbs from those crackers. I don't think the wok comes in different colors or anything. I think it's just this one. I think it just comes in black. I think. Don't quote me on that. I think it does. It's a professional heavy guage, hard anodized construction. So that's probably why it feels so. It's like so heavy. I know they have some, I believe, with covers, but this one did not come with a cover. But I mean, that's fine. I mean, ain't nothing really gonna be popping out of here anyway. The diameter of the bottom is 7 inches, and for sitting upright is 12 inches. So that's a pretty good size. So again, like I said, I love making any dish with this wok or a stirring frying pan, whatever people feel as though they like to call it. I don't know if they have any other smaller ones. They may. I'm not sure. And I know they have some with like handles at the bottom, but handles like on the side over here. But I was okay with just having this one. This does the job. It's so simple, so easy. This is one of the most convenient, helpful pans I ever came across too. So again, this is a Circulon 12-inch non-stick wok, as I call it, stirring pan or frying pan. Go ahead and get you one of these. Your cooking life will be so much easier.